Hey everyone, I've been experiencing an error on my Ubuntu system recently, and it says, like, when I'm trying to reboot my system, it says, error, couldn't read file, error, you need to load the kernel first, press any key to continue. And when I press any key to continue, it asks me to choose, like, Ubuntu, advanced options for Ubuntu, and stuff like that. You may be familiar with that. When I click that, it goes right back to press any key to continue, and I literally cannot do anything. What I've been doing to get my system to boot was I type C to get to the grub command line, and then type reboot, and eventually, after a few times of trying this, it eventually reboots. I don't know why it takes this long to do it, but for some reason it does that. Now, what could be happening to your computer if that's happening to you, which is, I assume that's what's happening to mine, because the commands that I'll show you have actually worked on my machine. So this issue could be related to some patches around TPM, which is Trusted Platform Module, where it fails to perform some sort of tracing. So your machine might not even have a TPM, but instead have its successor, Intel Platform Trust Technology, which is PTT, which could be the root of the issue, and I'm pretty sure that that's what happened to me, like I said, because these commands have fixed it for me. So to make it so that grub by default unloads the TPM module, we are going to type sudo cp etc grub.d 40_custom space etc grub.d 06notpm. What this is doing is just copying a file inside the grub configuration directory and copying it as a file with a different name, which is 06_notpm. Next, we are going to type sudo bash-c echo rmmod tpm etc grub.d 06notpm. Make sure you have the correct quotation marks and symbols in this, otherwise the command will not work. Lastly, we are going to run sudo update-grub, and we are now done. We have fixed the issue. If this didn't fix the issue for you, please tell me in the comments, and I'll try to help you as best as I can, and I will see you next time.